Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you trying to print wirelessly with your HP NV5055 but not sure how to get connected to Wi Fi? Don't worry, it's actually super simple once you know the steps. Setting it up right way makes printing from your phone, laptop, or tablets so much easier. And in this video, I'll walk you through the entire wireless setup process step by step so you can start printing in no time. Alright, let's jump right into it. On the LCD screen of your HP NV printer, tap on the Setup option. After that, you need to select the Network option. On the next screen, ensure the wireless toggle shows on and then choose Wireless Setup Wizard. Next, it will begin searching for wireless routers. After that, select the name of your wireless network. Now, you will see a screen like here. So, what we do is tap on OK to move forward. Then, type the correct password of your network name. On the Confirm Settings screen, tap on OK. The printer will now start connecting to your network. Once the printer is connected, you will see the connection successful screen. Simply tap OK. Well done! Now, we need to install the driver of your printer on the computer. Browse the official HP website on the browser. On the next screen, type your printer name in the search section, select the printer and click on search. When you are on the Install Printer software screen, click on the Download button. Once the download is complete, double-check on the file on the lower left-hand side. Now, wait for a while and the HP Easy Start page will open. You should select the checkbox and then click on Continue button. When your printer is found, click on the Continue option. Now, we're gonna have to simply click on Continue on the Alignment Finish screen. Then, keep following the further prompts until you see the Register your printer with HP Connected screen. Fill in the information if you want to claim the warranty of your new printer. You can also skip this part by choosing the Skip Without Activation option. On the next screen, type your postal code and select Continue. Now, the search for an available driver for your printer will start. On the next screen, choose the driver you want, then click on Continue. After that, the software download process will start. And this will also install the chosen driver. Next, click on the Automatic Setup Recommended Radio button and select Next. You will see the HP NV5000 series option. Just click on it and then hit Next. If you see this prompt, and simply choose Yes. Finally, the Setup Complete appears. You should click on the Finish button and the printer will be ready to use.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.